Hi friends, Dave here with Transfer Express, and I want to show you how you can easily add and replace Clipart in our EasyView online designer. Now you can see here that we already have layout QYT260 imported where we've already changed the text. The next step is going to be replacing this clipart of this apple to, say, a pumpkin. So we'll go ahead and just select this, and with most layouts, you could go up to the edit menu and click on replace clipart. We will replace this clip art with another piece of clip art here, which brings up our clip art library. Now, all we have to say is type in pumpkin, and you can see there are tons of different pumpkins to choose from. Let's go ahead and grab this one right here. That looks fun. And as you can see, that just replaces the clip art that was already there. From here, of course, we could edit it and make it larger or smaller or resize it as needed. Now, alternatively, if you're unable to replace the clip art in a layout or you just want to experiment, you go ahead and click on it and click this trash can or the delete key on your keyboard, which removes it from the layout. Then you could go over here to the left-hand side to the Add Clip Art menu, and it's going to bring up that same exact menu that we were looking at before. So say we want to change this and make it a piece of corn. Here you can see all of your corn stalks or even unicorns. We'll go ahead and grab this one right here, resize it to fit our layout, and sure enough, it fits right in there and we're ready to go. And that's how you add and replace clip art in our EasyView online design.